good evening. So today is July 1, no? I'll just update you for our trading history for the month of July. So yan, this account is named under Boss Emart, Anthony Quebra. Yan. So yan, pakita ko lang din sa inyo, pinakadulo na ito. Yan, nag-held din tayo ng ating withdrawal, $139,000 noong yan 0630 kahapon, no? Nag-withdraw tayo ng $139,000 for this account. So deposit is $500,000, withdrawal is total is 321, running balance natin is 484. So ayan, napasobra lang ng $16,000 yung na-withdraw natin dito. Then yan, account ko naman, pakita ko lang din sa inyo. So reflected na rin yung deposit natin today, 0701 ng $250,000 for 30th cut-off. So customize ko lang para makita nyo ng medyo mahaba-haba. All in all ng account. Yan. Okay. So yan. Ang pinaka-account na to, yan, na-withdrawan din natin to ng 138 din. Sa isa 139, dito is $138,000. Yan, 0630, then 701, nag-deposit naman tayo kanina. Then yun, na-approve agad, $250,000. So ang running deposit natin is 450, ang withdrawal natin is 138, so balance is 450. So itak pa rin yung capital. Kaya na-withdraw na natin lahat ng profit for this month. Sa pang account, may other account. Na-customize natin para medyo mahaba-haba. So yan, ang total profit nito is 97,000. Na-withdraw natin din ng $100,000. Yan. Deposit, 100,000. Withdrawal, 100,000. Labas na yung capital, 97,000 na trade dito. So, inopen lang to noong 0526. So, almost 1 month. Double ang kinita na itong account ko. No? Actually, this is my personal account. May selling Perez. Tingnan natin yung profit ng iba. So, yan. Siguro ito na lang muna. Yan pa lang naman, kita nyo na eh. Mga withdrawal. So, ayan, ang total withdrawal natin, 139, 138, tsaka 100,000. So, congratulations everyone.